Dear girls, today we shall see about the conversions, that is how to calculate frequency or wavelength or wave number when the other parameter is given. We shall see that one. Okay. So before that, you have to know some conversions, some important conversions here I am going to say, that is 1 Armstrong unit. See here, 1 Armstrong unit is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter. That is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. So like this, you have to remember some important conversions. So 1 micrometer, it is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter. And here 1 millimicron, I already told you, 1 millimicron, that is equal to 1 nanometer. So these are the important conversions. 1 nanometer, that we know, that 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay. Now let us move on into the calculations, right? Problems. See here the first example 1. Okay. Calculate the wave number of radiation whose wavelength is 5 millimicron. Okay. 5 millimicron. See, wave number. Whenever wave number is asked, kindly keep in mind that wave number should be always expressed in centimeter power minus 1. Okay. Wave number, the unit of wave number, wave number is the reciprocal of wavelength. Okay. So, it is very normal to express wave number in centimeter to the power minus 1. So always try to express wave number in centimeter to the power minus 1. So now the given wavelength is 5 millimicron. So first thing is to convert that unit into centimeter. So wavelength lambda, it is equal to 5 millimicron. So that millimicron, we know, yes, millimicron, it can be converted into centimeter. That 5 millimicron, that is converted into centimeter. See here, 5 into 10 power minus 7 centimeter. So now you know the relation. What? Our wave number nu bar, that is equal to 1 by lambda. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 7 centimeter. So 1 by 5, we know it is 20, that is 1 by 5 into 10 power 5 centimeter inverse. So very simple. Okay. So first, whenever wave number is there, just try to get it in centimeter to the power minus 1. See, but wavelength is given in some other unit. So first convert that wavelength unit into centimeter. Then only that is reciprocal of wavelength, no, wave number. So 1 by wavelength, that is equal to 1 by centimeter, means centimeter inverse it will come, right? So example 2. Now come to example 2. Calculate the frequency of radiation whose wavelength is 400 nanometer. See, they are asking to calculate the frequency. Okay, wavelength is given in 400 nanometer. Another question is there. Express wavelength in wave number. They are also asking what is the wave number. So, as usual, wave number is asked. So, wave number always have in mind it should be expressed in centimeter to the power minus 1. So, convert the nanometer. Wavelength is given in nanometer, 400 nanometer. So, in order to convert this nanometer into centimeter, the first thing, it is easier. That is 400 into 10. We know nanometer, when it is to convert into Armstrong unit, just multiply by 10. Okay, so 400 into 10 Armstrong unit, because here you can see here 1 Armstrong unit equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter. That is a very well known relation, that is conversion. So we converted this nanometer into Armstrong unit first. Okay, 4000 Armstrong units. That 4000 Armstrong unit, in order to change into centimeter, it is multiplied by 10 power minus 8. So by the calculation, 4 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. So first thing what we have made is wavelength is converted, that is the wavelength. The unit of wavelength is changed to centimeter. 400 nanometer, that is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. Now come to the question. Number 1, calculate frequency. First, frequency. So what is the relation between frequency and wavelength? Frequency is equal to c by lambda. Okay. So, velocity equal to frequency into wavelength, that we know. So, by that relation, frequency equal to c by lambda. C, that is velocity of light, that is equal to, we know that 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second. Here again, remember girls, 3 into 10 power 8 means it is meter per second, velocity of light, but we have to use only centimeter unit. So get the velocity in centimeter unit. So 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter that per second. So the value of light is given here divided by lambda. We have got 4 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. So on calculation you get this 7.5 into 10 power minus 14 hertz cycles per second, or you can also give the unit for frequency as hertz. H is at hertz, it is also right. Okay, number 2. The question number 2 there is express the wavelength in wave number. So they are also asking wave number. We know very well, we know the relation nu bar, that is equal to 1 by lambda. So just 1 divided by 4 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter. Here that is, when you solve this you get 25,000 centimeter inverse. Okay, so like this you have to find what is the data given, what is the question asked. If more than one questions means you have to answer all the questions, and also you have to convert the units. It is only simple, you all know very well. Okay, so let us move on to example 3. See, again they are asking to calculate wave number. Wave number, and here given as wavelength. See, wavelength is given in the unit micrometer. We know that the relation micrometer, 1 micrometer, it is equal to 10 power minus 4 centimeter. So, in order to convert 4 micrometer, you just multiply by 10 power minus 4 centimeter. So, we got the wavelength in terms of centimeter. So, wavelength, that is equal to, now it is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter. Okay, so wave number, it is the reciprocal of wavelength, nu bar, that is equal to 1 by lambda. So 1 divided by 4 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter, you got the value 2500 centimeter inverse. Okay, these are all very simple only. Just remember what is the relation between the two parameters. Any one parameter they give, the other parameter they will ask to find. So it is very simple. Out of those 5 parameters, see, wavelength, wave number, frequency, velocity and energy, any one parameter can be given and the other, any one parameter can be asked. Now come to the example 4. They are asking to calculate the frequency. Okay, given as wavelength. So what is the relation between frequency and wavelength? Just remind that nu, that is velocity, is equal to frequency into wavelength, so that frequency is equal to c by lambda. Okay, I told you to always have wavelength in centimeter. It will be easier for us. Okay, convenient unit. So always try to get the wavelength or wave number. Wavelength means centimeter, wave number means centimeter inverse. Likewise, here it is given in 3500 Armstrong unit. So convert that Armstrong unit into centimeter. 3500 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter we have found. Okay, so in the relation, when you substitute, what is the value of C? 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second. So C by lambda, 3 into 10 power 10 divided by 3500 into 10 power minus 8, and you have to give, see here, you have to give the unit. See, centimeter per second. Our light will be having the unit velocity of light centimeter per second, and divided by here lambda, wavelength is given in meter. So in the numerator and denominator we have got this centimeter, so they will get cancel off. So only says second to the power minus 1 is the unit, or otherwise we can say it is hertz. Okay, thank you girls.